Alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Farid Khilji and I am a student of law 7th semester. I belong to Balochistan, Quetta.
Thanks very much. So, what is your education?
I am a student of law 7th semester.
Seventh semester. Okay.
Yes.
So, mashallah, I have some few questions
Yes.
regarding the society and like regarding the young generation.
Yes.
So, first question is, if I'm learning English, okay,
Hmm.
and learning English skill, okay, so some few steps I can successful.
Hmm.
After that, I can change my mind, my thinking, my purpose. So, what is the main reason behind of this?
So,
I give up education then.
yes, very good. That is a good question. Actually, learning any language is a very good thing. For example, if you learn another language, if you learn multiple languages, so you become more powerful with regard to knowledge, and your access with regard to society increases, and that gives you more exposure, and that is very very good for personal development, for overall progress. But the question which you have raised, that when people learn English, they change themselves, and they change their accent, and they change each and everything, mentality, etc. So that is because the education system which is currently prevailing in Pakistan, it does not guarantee you any job. Like you can assess it from a point that those who are making education policies for you in the parliament, those who are sitting in the parliament, like in the Senate and in the National Assembly of Pakistan, in the provincial assemblies of Pakistan, so their education is very less. It is insufficient to run such a ministry. So if such people who themselves are eighth fail, who themselves are inadequately educated, how could they give you good policies? So that is the basic reason is that the education system is not good. Therefore, we are attracted towards the British or Western thoughts.
Okay. One more, here is very big problem. Every person, when they burn in this world, they become a motivational speaker. What is that?
They become a motivational
Yeah,
speaker.
Every person.
Yes, actually, in this era, and especially in Pakistan, the thing that is promoted by social media and that is idealism. So they, for example, they make you dream such things which are impossible in practical world. So that is the reason that social media's negative role.
Okay.
Yes.
So education and skill, you can say keep outside, but the people give value of money. Like education is nothing, skill is nothing. What is that?
Actually, skill is necessary for sustenance. Skill is necessary to give you something to eat. So, and while education is your duty, to me it is a duty. Like if you want to be socially aware, if you want to work for the society, if you want to dedicate your services to the homeland, to the country Pakistan, so you have to be educated. All right, but skills are necessary for sustenance. And the thing which you just mentioned, that money, so skills are also done for money. Skills is a good thing for money, but education must not be taken in that perspective.
Okay. How we can make better education system in school, university and colleges? So like this is very important question.
Well, currently the education curriculum, the evaluation method of teachers, and the selection criteria for teachers, and the very system of education is kind of it is counterproductive. Like it is not producing the thing which is needed. So to curb this thing or to eradicate such difficulties, you have to completely change the education system from the parliament. You have to introduce a new course which is in compatibility with the current situation, with the requirements of the current era. And secondly, you have to change the criteria for selecting or appointing the teachers. And thirdly, you have to change the method of evaluation, like the examination method. And the most important thing is that the system on which through which Pakistan is operating its education is around 200 years old, and that is which was given from Lord Macaulay. So it has to be changed totally.
Okay, so students, they are learning education. So give any advice for them?
Well, the advice is that education is your duty to your homeland. And secondly, when you are seeking knowledge, or you are doing a degree, so don't be limited to your academic knowledge. Seek some extra knowledge, be socially aware, be politically aware. So recognize your or try to have knowledge about your fundamental rights, and just give your maximum output in academics, but don't be limited.
Thanks very much.